Hello guys, welcome to Digital Danny YouTube channel, and in this video we're going to start from where we left from the last video. If you have not watched my last video, so I would advise you to just go to this iCard and you can just watch the first video. This is the second video, so let's get started. So in this I'm going to teach you like what is the structure of HTML. So firstly let's get started with this. So first we have to type this, we have to identify what kind of document it is. So it is HTML, and then we have to go ahead and type HTML. Okay, and in this we have to type first thing is head. Okay, I have to type head. Okay, and then there is body. Okay, under head we can put title. As of now I'll show you what is the meaning, and in body we can put up something like maybe h1 tag. Okay, so I'll put first tutorial, and here also I'll like title. So what you will see is I will control S, save the file, and just go to the file wherever your file is, HTML file, and just go over here and click over here. See, okay, what is the difference? This is the first file and this is your new file. So what will happen is, like, when you are going to do this, you will see that here instead of hello.html you will see title, and you will see over here you will see first tutorial. So that's the thing. Okay, now next what you have to do is okay, now let me just make some changes. First HTML tutorial. So now let's see the changes. See, no, not this one. Okay, I will just change this thing. Okay, we will go and check. HTML, the file is not saved. See, now this is our first HTML tutorial. Okay, so you can see from here all the changes are coming over here. So I will just quickly explain you what is this means. This is your HTML document, and this is what is the basic structure of HTML is. First you put head tag, and head tag you can add title, and you can give title anything, and then in the body tag you can put up anything, whatever you like. So in the next video we are going to discuss more about other tags. We will talk about the first tag. So this is the structure we will be following up for the HTML, and we will be majorly doing changes over here: h1 tag, p tag, h2 tag. So these kind of things we will be doing up in the next video. So please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss, because we will be covering everything about HTML, and then we will going to CSS, JavaScript, we will go to PHP, Django, Python. We will be learning everything, and in future I will also take up Photoshop, Canva. So just please subscribe to this channel, Digital Danny, and you can also follow me on Instagram. You can find the link in the description box, and you can just DM me anything if you want to know about this website thing. And also we'll be going forward, we'll be making new websites, like I will show you. We will be making website like this for e-commerce. We will going to do WordPress also in future. So just, if you have not subscribed to the channel, I would advise you that you should subscribe to the channel, and so that you don't miss any updates. Okay guys, take care, bye.